This is my 98 Chevrolet pickup. I apologize to everybody for not posting the video since probably 2 years ago. Well, about a truck video 2 years ago. I posted little crap since then, but I forgot my account and password and the email for the account to retrieve the new password. But I pulled some strings and got all my stuff back. But here's my truck. I've had it for 1.5 years, almost 2 years now. It has a tonneau cover. I forgot the brand. Oh, Textile, I don't know. My old man got it for me for my birthday. I first got it, and I have a Volcom sticker there. Here it is. Here's the wheels and tires. I got new wheels this summer. Hankook, whatever they are, but they're damn good tires. I recommend them to anybody. I rarely got to put my truck in 4-wheel drive, but lately we've had bad ice, so I do drive around 4-wheel drive. There she is. It's like probably 30 degrees in here, 32. It's freaking cold, so I'm gonna do a cold start in the shop here, and then I'm gonna go to town. But that's her. I'll show you the inside. It's a little bit messy. I apologize. Oh, shit. Looks like you can't see anything really. Hope that changes on the video. I have XM right here. It's got 123,000. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. This damn camera. Here's the back. I got so much crap back here, it's retarded, but I guess that's life. Oh well. Nice Carhartt. My Comanche hat. Blanket. Other stuff I need to take out. Sorry about that, guys. I'll let you guys look at the motor. I'll start her up. There's the motor. Pretty clean. My dad took good care of this truck. He got that. So then I got this. I was pretty stoked. Pretty clean. Looks pretty good. Alright. Cold start. Alright. I'll just turn the lights on for you. Hey, you can see the miles now. There they are. 123. About time for a oil change. There she goes. See, I had it in 4-wheel drive already. It's freaking slick. It's got a pretty nice stereo in it. That'll be for another video though. But for right now, it's kind of just my I don't know, make it look like a work truck. But, oh yeah, and I do have dual exhaust. My dad put that on. Can't really hear it in here. My buddy has an exhaust video I'll let you guys check out of our trucks. But I need new tips. But that's about it. That's my 98 Chevrolet 3/4 ton.